Hello, a very warm welcome to my students here. I hope everybody is safe and sound, keeping healthy and studying as well. I am taking math in grade 5. In the last class, we have started exercise 2.2 and we have completed first bit. Now let us go to the second bit. What is the second bit here? Subtract each of the following and check the answer. Okay, firstly we have to subtract this number. After subtracting, whether it is correct or not, so we have to check the answer. Okay, let us do this. So this is the second bit. First question. What the question they have given here? 6,71,209 minus 3,21,345. So let us solve this. So we are subtracting, so we have to keep this symbol minus 3,21,345. Okay, so let's start this. So 9 minus 5 how much? 9 minus 5 is 4. So 0 minus 4 we cannot do, so we have to take borrow from 2. Okay, so this will become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, so we have given borrow from 2. So now this 2 will become 1. Okay, so we cannot do 1 minus 3. So we have to again take borrow from 1. So now this 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 3 how much? 11 minus 3 is 8. Now this 1 will become 0 because he is given borrow to 1. So this 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 3 is 8. Now this 1 becomes 0 as he has given borrow to side number. So now we have to take again borrow from 7. So this will become 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now this 7 will become 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Next, 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So now what we have to do? Check the answer. Okay. After subtracting, we have to check the answer. How can we check the answer? So we can check the answer. We can check whether the subtraction is done correctly or not by using addition. Okay, by using addition we can check whether the subtraction is correct or not. To do so, we add the difference obtained and subtrahend. If the sum is equal to the minute, the subtraction is correct. Otherwise, there is a mistake in the calculation. Okay, so how can we do? Let us see here. Firstly, we have to write this place value chart as it is. Now, we have to start solving. So, we have to take the subtrahend number first here. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. How we are taking like this? So, we have to take this subtrahend number first here. Okay, when we will get this answer after calculating this both, after subtracting this both, so we can say that our subtraction is correct. Let us do here. So what we are taking? We are taking this subtrahend number here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so nextly what number we have to take? This plus. We are doing plus, no? So what we got here? 3, 4, 9, 8, 6, 4. Okay. So how we have taken? We have taken this subtrahend and next what the result we got after subtracting, again we are taking this. Okay. So with this both we are doing? We are adding. So after adding, when we will get this result, so we can say that our subtraction is correct. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0, 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So 12. 2, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. So 1, again 1 carry here. Okay. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. Next is 3 plus 3, 6. So 6,71,209. So we got the same answer or not? 6,71,209. So our calculation is correct. Okay. This is the way to check the answer. Understood? Like this we have to solve the problem. What we have taken? We have taken subtrahend number first. Nextly, what we have subtracted the result, we have taken second, and we have added this both. So after adding, if we get the first result of the number, so we can say that our calculation is correct. So this is the second bit. Okay, understood? This is the second bit, first problem. In the next class, I am going to start the third bit. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.